Let's get the show on the road now with some trader talk coming from Nick Santiago of In the Money Stocks. Nick, what stocks are in your buy list? When the stock market tumbles really hard, what do you want to pick up as a pro trader?
Well, right off the bat, I would look at like an NVDA. I would look at, when the market really gets turbulent and, we wash out and we get a capitulation type low. I like to go into technology stocks. Apple would be on the list. NVIDIA would be on the list. Even something like the SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF, that's something I would look at down the road. But at the moment, when the market's not, fully capitulated and, you're in that downtrend, you don't want those equities. But when the time comes and, we saw something like this in March of 2020, when we got that big washout. I mean, you could almost throw a dart at the dartboard and everything went up. But what you want to do is you want to be in growth. You want to find a really, really strong growth name. And you could find that in Amazon. You could find that in Apple. And if you want to be a little bit less aggressive, then you go with something like a Walmart or a Target. They'll do fine as well.
What about when the stock market looks poised for a bounce back? Are there stocks that you would avoid?
Well, when you're looking at a market and things are so dire, and then all of a sudden you get a rebound, then you're going to want to stay away from like the Procter and Gamble's of the world and things like that, the consumer goods names. Right now, those are probably the attractive names when the markets are falling. You want to be in something like a Campbell's Soup or General Mills. But when the markets are set to rebound, you got to get out of those names. They're not going to be the performers. That money's going to come out of those stocks.
Great trader talk, Nick. Thanks so much for helping us out.
Thank you, Ange.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.